Short features highlight and/or summary overview of NewGen Deadbolt lock, electronic door lock, keyless entry door lock with keypads. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Features highlight or overview summary are include. This door lock can be set to automatically lock in 10 to 180 seconds to keep your home safe 24/7. The smart locks for the front door can be set with different codes for Airbnb, short-term rentals and home renovations. The latest sensor used in the keyless entry door lock has a quick recognition system. It unlocks the door immediately after entering the code. It also has one-touch locking and an automatic backlit keypad. This smart lock has an OLED display, zinc alloy body, and an anti-peek keypad. Automatic lockout for 5 minutes if the password is entered incorrectly more than 5 times. This door lock is easy to install without additional drilling and can be easily installed with a screwdriver. This smart lock is suitable for doors from 1.38 to 2 inches thick. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.